Alright, you bitches. 32 down there, 29.1. I'm not going to have my temps questioned. What is this white shit? I don't get it. Yeah, right. We're gonna walk down and get a box of beer. And in the meantime, I'm gonna try and call Reed's bud. Say, where the fuck are you? 'Cause I think we're gonna have a Skype bang-a-gang-a fucking deal tonight. Not gonna get an answer. I don't want him to. But that's my signal to him to come up on Skype. Because we don't do that Google Talk bullshit no more. That shit's a friggin' joke. Yeah, wow. Look at the slop. We're supposed to get inches tonight. Inches. Which will be pretty awesome. I love snow. Just letting Barbie get acclimated. And we'll be back.